Hey guys! What's up? Alam mo ba na may youth service?
What?
Oo, youth service nga!
Where?
2 p.m. 2 p.m. Huwag kang malilate. See you there.
Did you know? Merong youth service sa Sunday, 2 p.m. Exciting to! Huwag naman
Galing.
tumawin!